If you want to understand SAP MM from zero, this video will give you clear explanation. SAP MM stands for Materials Management and it is one of the core modules used in every company that runs SAP. The purpose of SAP MM is to streamline procurement and inventory activities. It takes care of purchasing material, receiving stock, material master, controlling vendor data and verifying invoices. SAP MM mainly includes five important submodules. First is purchasing, where we create purchase requisition, purchase order, contracts, and scheduling agreements. Second is inventory management, which handles stock movements such as goods receipt, goods issue, and stock transfer. Third is master data, where we maintain material master, vendor master, info record, and source list. Fourth is invoice verification, where vendor invoices are posted using MIRO. And finally, valuation and account determinations, which ensures correct GL account posting for each goods movement. In S4HANA, MM is more advanced with Fury apps, real-time analytics, simplified master data, and business partner instead of vendor master. Understanding these submodules give you a clear map of SAP MM. Once you know this structure, learning any process becomes much easier. This is the complete overview of SAP MM. If you like the content, please like and subscribe to SAP MM for more videos. Thank you for watching.